Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you. Or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to add music to an Instagram post. That is, when a person clicks on your Instagram post, they will hear the song that you added. How do you do that? Watch. To do this, you go to Instagram. Next, you click on the Add button and add a photo. Next, you click on the Music button. And you add the song that you want to add. For example, I choose this song and select the passage that will play in the song. Then I click Next. Done. Next, we add a caption to our post as usual and post it. As you can see, this is a very simple and quick way. Done. There is nothing complicated. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Phone Support. Bye bye. See you later.